Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel. Please give me your thumbs up and leave your comments. I love to read every one of them. I was challenged yesterday. Somebody didn't think I was reading the comments and they said, "Does Walter really read these comments?" I answered him. Y'all, I got my coffee. Let's have some coffee together and talk about this crap. Y'all, before we get into today's stimulus stuff, I was thinking about something and it's kind of funny to me. I don't know if you'll find it humorous or not, but you know how our government is. They say one thing and do something else. They tell you to do something when you know it should be the other way around. Well, it don't only go for our government. You know, they say we've got a big change shortage right now. Everybody is saying use correct change or your debit card. Everybody is so short on change. But you know those machines that's in the bank where you take your change and cash it in? All the banks has removed the machines. Seems reasonable to me if they would replace those machines, we could get over this shortage like overnight. I'm no rocket scientist, but it sounds reasonable to me. The way I see the House and the Senate, neither one of them on either side is doing anything for the American people. All they're doing is trying to look busy. And they know they're not doing anything for us, but they keep on. And it's grown quite obvious that they don't want to do anything. That's why I say, vote them all out. Every last one of them. They have to go in November, y'all. I don't believe the House or the Senate is going to pass anything. Remember, next month they go out for another 30 days. Therefore, Donald Trump will have to pass his executive orders if we are to get any stimulus check at all. As you know, President Trump is preparing to issue more orders. He is looking at more stimulus checks. He's got $300 billion set aside just for stimulus checks. His other executive orders that he's looking at is coming from a whole different area. That $300 billion, that's just for stimulus checks. The other executive orders that he's looking at is bailing out the airlines. He's going to use the general fund, I believe it is. He's going to create more unemployment money, more vouchers for schools, and he's going to rework the payroll tax cut so it could be easily understood. Most companies and employees are not signing on to this because they don't understand it. He's going to rework this. A lot of people saying that President Trump is just doing this for political gains. I don't care if he is or not, as long as he gets it done. A lot of people saying that he won't do it, it's just talk. We're going to just have to wait and see. We know the House and the Senate is not doing anything. Y'all, I had a comment saying that the kids are going hungry. But y'all, everyone has been reporting about the Food for Kids programs. It's the summer meals program that's always been in place. They've just extended it through the end of the year. Y'all, go get that food. You can call the number. They'll tell you where to pick it up at. Or you can call your local schools because it's through the school system. You can call your local schools. They'll tell you where to go pick it up. Y'all, if your kids are going hungry now, I'm sorry. I know this sounds hard and I don't mean for it to, but it's the truth. If they're going hungry now, It's not the government's fault. They've got food in place for them. Go get that food. Your kids will not be hungry. The Senate did not pass the skinny bill, and the House blocked it from advancing any further. So now it's basically just dead in the water. Nobody wants a skinny bill. Even the Republicans could not get it passed. Mooch McConnell, wake up and put your hearing aid in. Nobody wants your skinny bill. Speaking of the Mooch man, he said the Democrats care more about politics than they do helping the American people. You know, I didn't see that as just a one-sided thing for the Democrats, but I see it on both sides. The Democrats and the Republicans would rather play politics than help the American people. The Democrats say that the skinny bill was just a stunt to get votes to make the Republicans look good. Funny, I've seen it just the opposite way. Steve Mnuchin said that the stimulus package with $1.3 trillion is still on the table. And this proposal does have a stimulus check of $1,200 for filers and $500 for all dependents. Let's get that passed. Let's get that passed now. They all agree on it, so let's just pass it. If they pass the larger bill now, we could see a stimulus check right away. The check that Donald Trump wants to send out will take a little bit longer because he has to get his executive orders signed. He's got to get everything in place to get the checks out. And if they would just sign off on this $1.3 trillion stimulus package, the checks could go out next week. Nancy Pelosi said $1.3 trillion is just not enough. She wants it all or nothing. Could you tell me just when did this become about Nancy Pelosi and what she wants? What about what the American people wants? President Trump says that Nancy Pelosi wants the people to suffer now, so they will be upset and vote Democrat. I kind of believe this, but I also believe there's a lot of politics going on both sides, and this is not the time for politics. This is the time to help the American people. That's another reason they all have to go. Y'all, I had a funny comment, or at least I thought it was funny. Hang on just a second. Funny comment from a guy, and I want to share it with y'all. The man says, "Walter, you have too many ads in your videos." And he's leaving and he won't be back. To that man, I would say, write me a big fat check. I will take all of the ads off of my videos. I work on this stuff 12 hours a day. I think my time is worth something. I bet you his favorite TV shows has got ads running in them. Let's see him make them take their ads off. Y'all, both sides is playing politics with the people's lives and livelihood. November 3rd, we need to vote them all out of office. We need a clean sweep in Washington. Now, like I told you before, I'm not sure how I'm going to do the president thing. I need to hurry up and make my mind up, though. Because while I'm not happy with Donald Trump, he's made a lot of bad mistakes, I sure as hell don't want Creepy Joe. So I don't know what I'm going to do on that. Y'all, these executive orders that Donald Trump is trying to get out, they will help us. We will get a stimulus check. But it would be a lot faster if the House and the Senate could agree on something and get one out to us sooner. Y'all, we will get out of this. It's just going to take a while. Y'all, please check out my books. They're going to be linked in the bottom. I got 2 new books. I wish y'all would go get them. And help me out with them if you can. Support my channel by buying my books. They're just $3.99 each. Also, check out my other channel, Wally World's Blogs. I am creating a course over there, and the course is going to be so cheap. I don't think nobody will be able to pass it up. I've had a lot of people tell me already that they can't wait for this course. I've told them the price that it's going to be and all the freebies that's going to be in it. And at the end of this course, they will have an ebook making money for them. This is passive income. Y'all, I've been doing ebooks for 12 years. I know what I'm talking about when it comes to ebooks. And I know how to sell ebooks. And if you get into this course, your first book, which you will have at the end of this course, and it's only a 6-module course, so it don't take long to do this course. It will take probably 2 weeks to finish this course. And at the end of that 2 weeks, you will have your own book. And your first book, I will put it on my website. 100% of the money will come direct to your PayPal or whatever you have. So go over there and check that out. Please subscribe to that channel. And just know, I love you all. Please subscribe to this channel. Give me a thumbs up. Leave your comments. I may make another video today. I'm not sure. Just know I love you all. And we will got to get out of this with God's help. Ciao.